Bob Bechtel Corey's Construction. We're in Pennsylvania. Our latest project, which is a pretty interesting one. We've got two houses on one lot. We've got a two-story home that we set yesterday, and right now we are getting the second box on the one-story home set. Let's take a quick walk through this house over here. Walk the plank into the front door. Here's the kitchen. This house was set yesterday, so we haven't had time to put the floor down yet. This will be the laundry room. Looks like a little half bath back here. Here's our kitchen. This is the easy living kitchen option. A lot of our exterior trim, porch components over here. Into the master suite. Double bowl vanity, shower, big walk-in closet. A lot of people ask about why the walls are cut like this. You see this crack here? If this was cut square, that crack would have been a lot more pronounced. Maybe it would have went the whole way over. So our guys will come in here, cut this out square, touch up all this drywall cracks, and then trim it on out. Little pantry closet off to the side. Go upstairs here. Loft space at the top of the steps. Nice big area up here. Kind of like an extra living room. Bedroom back here. Another bedroom over here. Your closet. Attic access. Guys were up here yesterday. Let's go take a look up here. It's the attic. Looks like we still need to close up the roof. Another bedroom. Little closet. This was deeper than I thought. Come back out here. Full bathroom. Got the rolled vinyl under here. Tile looking floor. I like that. It's gonna look good with this gray vanity. Okay, not go underneath the ladder. Okay. Let's walk back down and see how they're doing on that second box. Working on getting it hooked up. Let's go into the basement. What will be a fireplace. Nice walkout basement here. French door or sliders going on the back here. Can't remember which one, but that opening definitely will fit either of the two. Here we are. Nice big basement. As soon as I get this other box in the air, I'll tag it on the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Let us know Corey's Construction can help you build your next home. Thank you. The ranch house of the two projects, just said it. Roof's not done yet. Nice kitchen. Really like this double wall oven there. Got laminate countertops, stainless steel sink. Looks like there's gonna be a cooktop there. Nice big pantry cabinet over there. These supports will be removed. Nice fireplace. Back door that will go to what I'm sure and someday will be a deck. Window above the headboard, I would assume. This is a master. A lot of your porch components, some doors. Walk-in closet. Double bowl vanity. This home has an infinity shower. Doorless, curtainless tile shower. That light up there is also a fan. Bench seat, shower nooks, 2 shower heads. It's a nice big shower. Back here, and this is pretty much this house. Just a nice little rancher. Laundry room, attic access, little half bath. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.